You say, hey boy, will you sit with me? Table in the back, cafeteria C. We can be friends if you wanna be, but only till the clock hits 3. After lunch we can walk to class, talk about the boys that we wanna smash, talk about ways to make a little more cash. After that I'll ignore your ass. The hassle, the fighting, they all want a bite of me. Photos, more photos, then gossip about hoes that they don't know. Oh, they talk shit though. I don't want no lunchbox friends, no. I want someone who understands, oh. Come to my house, let's die together. Friendship that will last forever, no. No lunchbox friends, no. No lunchbox friends. Come to my friendship that will last forever. She wants a fat ass in her brand new jeans. She wants a baby in the back with the man of her dreams. That isn't the life for me, 'cause I don't look like a fucking damn Barbie. Throw it on TV, people have high expectations of me. They wanna be my best friend, then judge me. But smoke a little weed makes no fucking sense to me. The hassle, the fighting, they all want a bite of me. Photos, more photos, then gossip about hoes that they don't know. Oh, they talk shit though. I don't want no lunchbox friends, no. I want someone who understands, oh. Come to my house, let's die together. Friendship that will last forever, no. No lunchbox friends, no. No lunchbox friends. Come to my friendship that will last forever. My hair's black again. It's not purple. Not purple anymore. I have, direct cut on my cleavage. And also, Jesus Christ, my teeth. That's what I get for eating barbecue chips. I wanted the Hawaiian kettle style, but you know what? I can't walk today. I fully broke many parts of my body yesterday. My leg is destroyed. Dislocated my knee cap. I guess it's a patellar dislocation, and it popped back in, I guess, but I have to go back because it's popping back out. And when I take a step, it's like something gives out in my, something slides and then gives out in my leg. So I'm pretty sure it's popping back out, and super fun. Don't cut me, punch me, just let me go into the nurse's office where I'll float away. I'm pale as the loose leaf paper they grow from howling out all my lungs in the snow. Yeah, I'm coughing. I'm bleeding. Band-aids won't heal it, 'cause they hate me, so I'm faking all this. So they take me home. Give me that pink slip of permission. This is old. I'm tired of wishing I was ditching. Ooh, 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 ooh. Teacher, can I sit right there? This bitch behind me is cutting my hair. No, just sit your ass down at the chalkboard and stare. I faked up a seizure and left out of there. Yeah, I'm coughing. I'm bleeding. Band-aids won't heal it, 'cause they hate me, so I'm faking all this, so they take me home. This is a